Class 10 students, today's topic is displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. What is a displacement reaction? A chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element. A chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element is called a displacement reaction. We can also define that a less reactive element is displaced by a more reactive element. So this is type of reaction is called displacement reaction. Ferrous plus copper sulfate. Ferrous reacts with copper sulfate and gives ferrous sulfate and copper. In this reaction, copper is less reactive and ferrous is more reactive. So copper is displaced. Copper is displaced and ferrous displaces copper. Ferrous takes the position of copper. So here is copper sulfate and now it becomes ferrous sulfate. In the same way, zinc plus copper sulfate, that gives zinc sulfate and copper. In this, zinc is more reactive and copper is less reactive. So copper is displaced. Zinc displaces copper. Zinc takes the position of copper. Zinc takes the place of copper. So it becomes zinc sulfate and copper. Pb plus CuCl2, it gives PbCl2 and Cu, copper. Pb is lead. So in this reaction you see that lead is more reactive and copper is less reactive. So lead replaces copper. So copper is replaced and this lead takes the position of copper. So this becomes PbCl2. So this is displacement reaction. Now double displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which there is exchange of ions between the reactants. Exchange of ions. Na2SO4 and BaCl2 both are in aqueous, that gives BaSO4 and NaCl. So here is the exchange of ions. Barium is positive ion and sulfate is negative ion. So the exchange of ions, and as a result of exchange of ions, this sulfate and barium, this becomes BaSO4, and BaSO4 is the white precipitate. It is the white precipitate and this is the sign of precipitate. Reversal, top to bottom. This is the sign of precipitate and 2NaCl is formed. So these the reactants, both are in aqueous forms, and product side you see that sodium chloride is in aqueous form and barium sulfate becomes solid, and this is the precipitate. Precipitate is insoluble in water. Precipitate is insoluble in water. Now this is the precipitation reaction. Any reaction that produces a precipitate. Any reaction that produces a precipitate, that is called precipitation reaction. So this reaction is precipitation reaction because white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed in this reaction. So most of the double displacement reactions are precipitation reactions. Most of the double displacement reactions are precipitation reactions. Now CuSO4 in aqueous form and H2S in gas, this gives CuS, the precipitate of CuS and H2SO4 aqueous. So precipitation reaction, the reaction in which the precipitate is formed, and this precipitate is insoluble in water, and generally the double displacement reactions are precipitation reactions, and this is the aqueous. Both the compounds are aqueous, those are the ionic compounds, and there is the exchange of ions. So this is all about displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Thank you.